The Northeast Students Organization NESO, in an emergency meeting held yesterday, resolved to call a total shutdown in the entire Northeast on December 10 next, in protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill, according to media reports. As a part of the security measures taken up by the District Police Bishnupur, a combined team of Bishnupur Police conducted cordon and search operation at Kongkham Makhalekai of Ward number 8 in Bishnupur District this morning. Altogether, 340 individuals were verified, while 2 members of outfit KYKL in Vale were picked up by cops for further necessary verification. Peaceful coexistence is the basis of every civilized society, said Arunachal Pradesh Assembly Speaker Pasang D. Sona. He was addressing the second conference of the Siyomi District Unit Tagin Cultural Society in Mechuka yesterday. He also stressed that personal issues should not be portrayed as communal, as it can disrupt the peaceful coexistence. The first edition of 3-day Northeast Food Show concluded with Chief Minister's conclave in Shillong yesterday. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma chaired the conclave. As per media reports, it was attended by Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Dev, Arunachal Chief Minister Pema Khandu, Sikkim Tourism Minister B.S. Pant, Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju, along with a host of other dignitaries. A recently opened corridor between Thailand and Myanmar is all set to link India with Southeast Asia and boost trade with 5 Asian countries and India. According to reports, the new bridge was opened a few weeks ago. Trade experts say it will connect Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand and Vietnam access to the vast Indian market through its northeast.